Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today for Creative Escape Papercrafting unboxing of their December 2018 fully loaded kit. This is an amazing kit, you guys. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun designing the 10 cards with you with this awesome kit. So let's go ahead and get started with the printouts that come in the kit. You get a list of all the contents that are in your kit. That way you can get an idea of the size of the cardstock, the ribbons, and all the extra goodies that come in the kit. The second printout is the designers that are on the team for Creative Escape Papercrafting and all their social medias that they post their projects on. Also, you'll see this note out here. Post on our Facebook group to win a prize or leave a comment for the release video. So this is the release video. If you leave a comment, Jen will be doing some giveaways, not only here on my channel, but the other designers' channels as well, and on Facebook. Let's go ahead and get started on the cardstock that comes in the kit. So I'm going to move some of these items aside, and we'll get started on the cardstock. To begin with, you get 3 sheets of 8.5 by 11, and this is Copic friendly or alcohol friendly cardstock. Very heavy, ideal for die cutting, stamping, coloring, and also for card bases or a mat for your cards. So you get 3 of that awesome cardstock. The next sheet is 8.5 by 11 light colored craft cardstock. Love this color for winter. This sheet is an 8.5 by 5.5 aqua cardstock. Very good quality as well. 8.5 by 5.5 light gray cardstock. This is a sheet of 8.5 by 5.5 red corrugated cardstock. Nice quality as well. Let me see if I can show you the corrugated design on the cardstock. I think you can see that. And that's in red. You also get a sheet of 8.5 by 5.5 white corrugated cardstock. The next sheet measures 6 by 12, 6 inches by 12 inches, white embossed wood grain cardstock. See if I can show you the design on that. This will make an awesome background for your holiday cards. I think you can see that. There we go. It's a little bit better. And next, I'll share the 3 sheets. Let's see if I can find my next sheet. Here we go. Of glittered cardstock, and these measure 4.25 by 5.5, which is perfect size for an A2 size card. We have the silver glitter, the gold glitter, and the green glitter. And this does not rub off on your hands, you guys. This will be perfect for sending a glitter project, and that way it doesn't mess up your recipient's hands or shed anywhere. So those are perfect for that. Next, we'll move on to the 12 sheets of 6 by 6 by Lawn Fawn, and this is the Nitpicky 6 by 6 sheets, and you get 12 of those, so I'll go through those. So let's start out with this aqua color and this red, white, and green pattern. Love the size of the print on these, perfect for backgrounds or die cutting. The next 2 sheets have this nice print. As you can see, this sheet, the print is a little bit, this sheet is a little bit smaller in print size, same pattern. So you get a choice of really tiny print or a little bit larger, but still small enough for die cutting. That comes in red. And the next 2 sheets, same pattern. one small design and one a little larger in the green. And here we have it in a white and cream. Same design or pattern, but just smaller. These will coordinate great together. I think these are my favorite. They look like the pattern of an old-time sweater. Then you get that in the green and the red. And then these two patterns, you get a green snowflake pattern and diamond, and then a white or gray. So those are the 12 by 12, or excuse me, the 12 6x6 Nitpicky by Lawn Fawn. Let's move on to the cut-aparts that came in the kit. Let's begin by the Cardabella 12 by 12 cut-aparts in a vintage style. I love working with the vintage style. This will be fun to work with. The fussy cut that would be fun. And then on the back side you have a 12 by 12 sheet of this beautiful snowflake pattern. Don't forget you can always use this strip down here too. It's cute. That's something I'll cut out and use as a tag. That's the name of this 12 by 12 sheet of Very Merry Christmas by Cardabella. Next we have a sheet of tags, and this is called Cozy and Bright. And these tags will be fun to work with. So many options with tags, so it'll be fun to create with that. And on to the amazing items from Lawn Fawn that come in the kit. Not only do you get a stamp set, but you also get a die for tags. This is called Say What gift tags, and you get 2 tags, little cutouts, which you can use the little stars or the hearts to make a shaker card. You get a speech bubble, you get the button for the top of the tag, a heart, and then another speech piece, which I'm looking forward to using. Love, love, love Lawn Fawn. The next item is the Say What Christmas Critters stamp set. And you get the little characters. The little characters here is the reindeer, a penguin, llama, and a unicorn. And they have matching sentiments to coordinate with each of the animals. Lots and lots of sentiments on this stamp set. For holidays, for Christmas, you can coordinate the different sayings to make your own sentence. Have yourself a Merry Christmas, a Happy Winter. Lots and lots of options for this. You get 2 speech bubbles, one solid and one clear. You can add the sentiments inside to the speech bubble. Very cool. And you can also use this speech bubble portion with any of these sentiments. So everything is coordinated together. Love, love, love that. Next, I'm going to share the little treat bag that comes in the kit of embellishments. Let's pull these all out. We'll start off with a yard of blue sheer ribbon. Get a yard of that. Love to make bows, so that'll be perfect. Also a yard of red ribbon. We all need red for the Christmas holiday. 1.5 yards of tan and white baker's twine. This will go lovely with the craft cardstock. Just pull that out. Coordinates beautifully with that. And then we have this baker's twine, which is the teal and white. And once again, she's matched this perfectly with the cardstock. A silver and white baker's twine. You get a 1.5 yards of that, and that coordinates very well with this gray and white cardstock. And then we have the tan and white baker's twine, and this is 1.5 yards, and I already showed that to you, that coordinates with the craft cardstock. Also in the kit, you get 2 tags that you can stamp or use the coordinating dies with. And then to make some shakers, we have 2 bags of Creative Escape Papercrafting shaker mix, and this one is the tinsel. Beautiful collection of silver and clear little stars. Beautiful, beautiful collection. Perfect for shaker cards. Looking forward to making some shakers with these. And then here we have the Holly Jolly Sequence Mix by Creative Escape in the traditional red, green, and white with stars in different sizes in the mix. For the subscribers to the kits, get an additional bonus item, and this is the Nouveau Glitter Drops, and this is in White Blizzard. So there we go, guys. This is the complete kit for Creative Escape Papercrafting. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Before I go, guys, I wanted to share that Creative Escape Papercrafting also has a Hanukkah Kit version 1. She had 2. I think these are still in stock, and I'm going to go through and show you what is in the kit. Okay, so here, if you're looking to send holiday cheer to your Jewish friends and family, this kit is for you. The kit includes 1 Sizzix dreidel pop-up card stamp and die, a Happy Hanukkah element stickers sheet, which is 12 by 12, 12 sheets of single-sided paper from Lawn Fawn, of a bottle of dazzling blue Nouveau glitter drops, white cardstock, light blue textured cardstock, navy shimmer paper, craft cardstock, gold mirror card, and then your ribbons are in navy, gold, and then you get some baker's twine and hemp cord. So this is an awesome kit for those of you who celebrate Hanukkah. So I just wanted to share that with you. Also, she carries lots of Lawn Fawn, and I ordered these in addition to getting my December kit. I ordered the Really Rainbow Christmas 6x6 pattern paper by Lawn Fawn, and I'll just kind of flip through that. And these are a small pattern once again for card projects or die cuts. This is a super pack. This is in her store as well. And then another item that I ordered for the Christmas season is this Lawn Fawn Thanks a Latte. So soon I'll be posting 10 cards with this one kit. So make sure you hit that notification bell to alert you when I upload a video. So thanks everyone for watching. Take care.